Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, your Samsung A05 is probably stuck in headphone mode. The phone thinks headphones are connected even though there's nothing plugged in. Because of that, you may have no sound from the speaker, and the volume controls might not work properly. Don't worry, I'll show you several ways to fix this problem. Let's get started. The first method is the simplest one, but it works surprisingly often. Turn your phone off completely. Take a pair of headphones and plug them into the headphone jack. Then unplug them. Repeat this about 10 times. In many cases, the phone will recognize that the headphones are no longer connected and the problem will disappear. The second method is to clean the headphone jack. Take a cotton swab or a toothpick with a small piece of cotton on the end. Carefully clean the headphone port at the bottom of the phone. Dust, pocket lint, and other debris can build up inside. The phone may think a headphone plug is still inserted when it's actually detecting dirt. You can also blow gently into the port, but avoid using a vacuum cleaner. The third method is to restart the phone. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart. Sometimes a simple reboot is enough to clear the glitch. The fourth method is to install the Disable Headphone app from the Google Play Store. This app can force the audio output back to the phone's speaker, even if the device remains stuck in headphone mode. Open the app, select Speaker, and then test the sound. And finally, the last method. If the problem started after rain, moisture exposure, or after unplugging headphones at an unusual angle, turn the phone off completely. Take a hairdryer set to warm air, not hot air, and gently blow into the headphone jack for about 1 minute. Be careful not to use high heat, as it may damage the plastic components. Once the moisture dries out, the problem may go away. If none of these methods work, the headphone jack may be physically damaged. In that case, you'll likely need professional repair service. The contacts inside the ports may be shorted, damaged, or disconnected from the board. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your Samsung A05.